Hello there. Hi, this is Carla coming to you live. And today I want to share with you 8 things that you may not know about onions. Okay, first of all, the oldest known cultivation of onions dates back to around 5000 BC. So that means that these guys have been around for about 7,000 years, since the Bronze Age. Okay, secondly, during the Middle Ages, onions were actually given as gifts and used as even currency. People used to pay for services and goods and paid for their rent using onions. Don't you wish we could do that today? All right, now a lot of us have had this third thing happen to us. You go to slice an onion and you start to cry. Well, why is that? We cry because when you cut the onions, sulfur is released from the vegetable. So the sulfur reaches our eyes and combines with moisture to produce sulfuric acid. This acid produced in our eyes leads to a painful sensation that the brain immediately acts in a defensive stance, and so we start crying. So how can you avoid that? One way is you can cut them under running water. You can also try putting white vinegar on your cutting board and see if that helps. Now, if anybody else out there wears contact lenses like I do, I very rarely have the problem with the onions when I slice them. So that's why I'm usually the one that gets to do that job. Okay, number 4, onions are considered to have antiseptic properties, and they were heavily used during war times to help heal wounds. Number 5, onions are enemies of dogs. You may or may not know that, but if you have dogs around, make sure that you don't ever give them any kind of scraps with onions in them. And what it does is they weaken the red blood cells of the dogs and can lead to anemia. And in severe cases, it can cause death. So keep the onions away from your dog. Number 6. In a large study conducted with women that are aged 50 and older, it was found that daily consumption of onions not only led to an increase in density of bones, but also significantly reduced bone loss. This particular feature of onions comes from a specific compound found in onions known as the GPCS. Don't have anything other than that abbreviation, and that's all according to Swiss researchers. Number 7, red onions in particular are very rich in flavonoids, a type of plant pigments that are bioactive, and they are known for reducing the risk of various cardiovascular diseases. The flavonoids help to reduce your bad cholesterol, so your LDL, and keep the heart healthy. Quercetin in onions is known for preventing the buildup of plaque in arteries and thereby reduces stroke and heart attack possibilities. Another great thing to know. And lastly, our bodies produce and also get various harmful toxins. These toxins, when they reach our brain, can wreak havoc over the long term. Onions are known to be rich in antioxidants that can bind with these toxins in our brain and flush them out of our system. In addition, age-related memory loss is also slowed down by sulfur compounds present in the onions. Memory impairments in humans can be treated with onions. A specific sulfur compound in onions, and I'm warning you, I'm going to butcher this word, I'm sure, known as the di-N-propyl trisulfide, does this. For best results as far as the brain is concerned, eating onions raw is what is suggested. So I hope you found these 8 tips helpful. If you would like the full list, I have a full list of 30 just interesting facts and tips about onions. Let me know. Just comment below on the video and I will be happy to share those with you. Thanks so much for tuning in and hope you have a great rest of your day.